Welcome to solverfy.
Hello, here the block is on the horizontal surface and force F is applied to the block. And here we have to calculate acceleration of the block if it starts to move. So this force F is being resisted by the friction and also gravity and the reaction of the surface exerting this system. First, let's calculate the friction force which exists. So we have to calculate coefficient force of the static and kinetic friction. The force of the static friction equals to the coefficient of friction times n, or coefficient of static friction times mg, because it's a horizontal surface. So it equals to 0.645 times 53.6 newtons. It equals to 34.6 newtons, which is lower than the applied force. So here, force of the static friction is smaller than the applied force, then the block will be moving. And here the kinetic friction will be reducing acceleration of the block. So therefore, the block will be moving to the right. We can introduce the x-axis, and acceleration is directed to the right. So second Newton's law for this block looks like the following: it's vector sum of F and coefficient and force of kinetic friction equals to ma. When projected on x-axis, it becomes F minus mu kinetic mg equals to ma. Therefore, acceleration of the block equals to the difference between the forces divided by mass. So now we need to calculate the mass of the block. Mass of the block equals to its weight divided by g, which is 5.47 kilograms. So now we can calculate this number. It equals to 4.12 meters per second squared. So that's the solution of this problem. I hope I helped you. Thank you very much for your attention.